This picture right here can tell you a lot about your personality and your emotions. So real quick, pause the video and choose which one of these represents you the best. All right, I hope you got it. So there's a lot of these. So let's go over what they mean. If you chose numbers 1, 3, 6, or 7, it characterizes you as a motivated person who's not afraid of obstacles. If you chose numbers 2, 11, 12, or 19, it means you're a sociable person who likes helping others. Number 4, you have a stable lifestyle and you want to achieve success without all the difficulties. Number 5, you're tired with little power or motivation. Number 9, you're a happy person who loves fun. 13 or 21, you're blocked by internal conflicts and you have trouble relating to other people. Number 8, you get lost in your thoughts and kind of navigate in your own world. Number 10 and 15, you're normally a little bit quiet, but you adapt well to life's changes. High five. Number 14, you're falling into an emotional abyss or have an internal conflict. Number 20, you have a lot of self-esteem and you're a born leader. And number 16, you're tired of having to support other people.